Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope we are on behalf of Master Videos Wizard and Conversation Tour. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. This video first YouTube 10 videos idea for beginners, tips and tricks. This video I will explain the video today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share in another friend circle, and you will get motivation this video comment inshallah. So we start the video without delay. Stay with me. First of all, the YouTube video idea for beginners. Then function number 1, introduce yourself. Okay, you do not need the plant and great video. Okay, you can sit, let's say, in front of the camera and talk to your audience and you would like to personally introduce yourself. Okay, just like and check and watch did in the video. Okay, if you are making a new video about your business or company or trade, any etc., you first begin video. Okay, and about your company goal and vision. Okay, here is the example. I am the Dean Annings of co-founder and CEO. The first spot talk about the started sport and first place in and the while tracking and solve. Okay. Then function number 2, introduce a series. Introduce a series. If you plan to work on a series of video, your first video can introduce the series and what your audience can expect of order. Check your name and tracks first video or the series. Okay, where the review the darkest and foundation set by the makeup and brands. Okay, then function number 3, share your journey. Your journey means to the success and you need to content your and make your the great price of the content. Then talking to your audience about the battles you overcome to be aware that you are allowed to the draw inspiration from your life. Okay, here is a video of surprise about your journey. That is the example. Okay, you are the kid on your YouTube channel, the video one. Okay, train beginners. This is the beginners idea for the YouTube channel. This is function number 3. This is function number 4, a day in the life. A day in the life. Play your self-going about your daily routine in video. Make an audience get into your life. This is your daily life in the video, and or 1 or 2 or 3 days after the video and uploading YouTube video. This is the content great, and or 1 week and before the after and 1 video uploaded, and this is the case of your daily routine. Okay, this is the missed case, and the YouTube channel algorithm do not access the YouTube channel the video and update. Okay, the function number 5, blocks. Function number blocks. Then imagine everything you want to do or to part of the block of the instant you shorten it on video. Okay, you can do a daily blogs and like and get in blog, and once in a weekend compile your weekend highlights. Okay, if you and business check you the how healthcare and payment and processing company blog on YouTube channel. This is the blog video in the company or business owner. This is the any kinds of video. This is your YouTube channel where upload your video. Okay, this is the function number 6. Do you do a video challenge? Do you do a video challenge? Start with something that is already trending on YouTube channel, like the eat of the wife and the calling. and body and challenge. This is the YouTube video and challenges are fun of do and can end up the becoming wireless is the first video. Then can also create your video, first video and since and people will be looking and for video and around the challenge. The your video around the move and new video and create the new content and get related video and content the and audience, the YouTube algorithm, and one by one all people all world and people divide the video and the review. Okay, this is the function number 6. The function number 7, give a home, house or workspace store. This is the workspace stores let an audience pick up into your life by giving them a workspace in or work store. Just like Stana Venus did for the first YouTube video. Okay, like in the first video, give and room, etc. house, then workspace to any kinds of restaurants and company business or holders and any kinds of any idea video and upload the YouTube channel. Okay, the function number 8, the review your favorite products. Your first YouTube video and course simply and your sharing and reviewing for favorite or go to the product and your audience. Watch Kids and this first video where they talk about their all-time favorite beauty and products. Okay, this is the your any kind of first video and product in showing the YouTube channel and all algorithm. This is kind of new audience. Okay, function number 9, the what's on your phone. What's on your phone, and if you and kind of the apps and technology doing video where you show your audience and what is on your phone. You can dip into the apps you use, what is sitting on your chosen and you get what done it is. And an example, like your phone and is the criteria and one version and old version and upgrade version your phone and any kind of mobile and the new video and recording or video and upload the YouTube channel. Okay, this is the first video on YouTube channel. Then function number 10, last function number 10, video and share idea. Okay, this is the your video in other friend circle and any kind of group and phrase and your share video. Okay, share idea, your content, your favorite content you take and idea related. Okay, if you have idea, make your life and simply are better. It is time and share it with an audience as the video by train and ultra journey. Okay, this is the 5 idea data and Zoom call any idea, any kinds of video, share in another friend circle. Okay, this is the video and beginning in just a like or moment your video and friend circle and another friend circle in the all world by and your video see the content and day by day you will increase your YouTube channel. So friend, no more today. Those are still subscribe my channel, please subscribe very quickly and play the bell icon button. Next hit and stay with us kinds of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.